(9.26) problem. If the sum of the certain number of the terms of an arithmetic progression is 160, certain number of terms is given. That is, given arithmetic progression is what? Let us write. Given arithmetic progression is 25, 22, 3 is the common difference here, 19, and so on. So, certain number of the terms of the arithmetic progression. So 116 is given. So let sum of the n terms, let sum of n terms of above AP is equals to 116. So sum of the n terms formula 2a plus n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into b is equals to 116. In this first you write what is a 25, what is b 3. That's what I am waiting for your reply. It is 22 minus 25 karna. 3 decrease 4 है, decrease 4 है तो उसमें succeeded number minus preceding number should be done. Minus 3 है. So n value we need to find out. Not only n value, here the question is asking you to find out the last term. So 2a, 2 into 25 plus 1, n we don't know. T is minus 3. This is equals to 160. Take the 2 to the right hand side. So here itself I will write into 2. So what do you get here? 50 plus 50 minus 3n plus 3 is equals to 232. So n into 53 minus 3n is equals to 232. Multiply 53n minus 3n square is equals to 232. 3n square minus 53n plus 232 is equals to 0. Quadratic equation, you need to factorize it. So what you have to do? 232 and 3 multiply करना. So 3 as it is रखो, 232 को factorize करो. 232. 2 116 का 2 58 sir. 2 29. 29 is a prime number. Now if you observe that the sum we need to get a 53. Sum 53 आना. ये 29 एक ले लो. 8 3 is 24 एक. 29 24 53. So you can factorize this one. 3n square minus 29n minus 24n plus 232 is equals to 0. Now n will be taken common. 3n minus 29. From these two, 24 can be common. n minus 24 9. 24 नया आएगा, 8 आएगा, only 8 आएगा. So 8 should be taken common. 3n minus 29 because 8 is taken common 232. So 29 is left over. So 29. And common on simplification, you are going to get here 3n is equals to 29, Rn is equals to 8. N is equals to 29 by 3 is not possible because what is that? It is number of terms. Number of terms cannot be fraction. 29 by 3 nahi. So therefore n is equals to 8. Number of terms. Therefore, last term, it is asking you to find out the last term. Last term, A8 is equals to A plus 70. A is here 25 plus 7 into D is minus 3. So 25 minus 21, which is equals to 4. Okay. Simple questions. Starting all the questions are very simple, not complicated here. Okay. Next, seventh question. So what is the question? We will find the sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression whose kth term is given. K. So given that AK is equals to 5k plus 1. And what is asking to you? Sum of the n terms. Sum of the n terms is, for the sum of the n terms we need first term चाहिए, common difference चाहिए. So first let us find out the first term. First term के लिए इधर k का प्लेस में 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना. A1 this is equals to, or you can write it A only, that is first term for representation A na generally. So A1 is equals to 5 into 1 plus 1, which is equals to 6. Second term A2, 5 into 2 plus 1, which is equals to 11. Therefore common difference is equals to A2 minus A1, 11 minus 6, which is equals to 5. And nth term is asking. Therefore, nth term is equals to an is equals to 2a n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equals to n value is what? Don't know. That is we need to find out now. Sorry, nth term nahi asking na. Sum of n terms is asking na. So sum of n terms. Okay. This is sum of n terms. Sorry. Sum of n terms formula hai na. Okay. So n by 2 of 2a. A is equals to 6. 2 into 6 plus n minus 1 into 5, which is equals to n by 2 of 12 plus 5n minus 5. N by 2 of 5n plus 7. कभी भी याद रखो, sum of the n terms will be given to you in the form of quadratic expression आएगा. देखो ये simplify कर लिया तो quadratic है. So if it is given to you, objective type of the questions में, there is a chance of asking you which of the following can be the sum of the n terms. Which of the following can be the sum of the n terms? In that option A, 2n plus 3. Option B दे दिया n square plus 1. Option C दे दिया 2n minus 1. Option D दे दिया none. So which can be the answer? Sum of the n terms of any arithmetic process. In all this, which can be possible? Second one. ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. सम ऑफ द n terms कभी भी लीनियर नहीं है. लीनियर क्या है? nth टर्म. ये nth टर्म हो सकता है, ये भी nth टर्म, ये nth टर्म नहीं हो. सम ऑफ द n terms is quadratic expression हो. So that point you have to observe it. Okay. Next. Huh. 13th problem C. 13th one. If the sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression. In the 13th question, what is given here? Sum of the n terms. Just now I told you. Sn is given to you. Sn is equals to 3n square plus 5n is given to you. Sum of the n terms. Okay. and its mth term is that is AM 164. Now what is asking you? Find the value of the m value is asking. So m value is asking means nth term whenever it is given that what are the required things to us normally. How do we find out? Sum of the n terms is given. AM is 164. A plus m minus 1 into d. If we are having a value, first term, and common difference of the arithmetic progression, you can find out the m value. Sum of the n terms is nothing but, to remember, here very interesting point you need to observe. Sum of the n terms whenever it is given to you, nth term you can find out in the form of the linear expression. Okay. Suppose one arithmetic progression, just I will give them an example. 2, 3, 4. Otherwise, 2, 5, 8, 11. Like this one arithmetic. इसमें S1 क्या है? 2 आएगा. S2 क्या है? Sum of the 2 है. 2 plus 5. S3 क्या है? 2 plus 5 plus 8. If I want third term, ये टोटल सम से ये टोटल सम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लिया तो थर्ड टर्म आ जाएगा. If I want A3, can I do S3 minus S1? Sorry, S3 minus S2. S3 बोले तो ये पूरा. From this S2 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लिया तो ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाए. 8 आ जाएगा. 8 third term. If you want fourth term, sum of the 4 terms, first 4 को ऐड करो minus first of the 3 को ऐड करके सब्ट्रैक्ट करो तो फोर्थ टर्म आएगा. Okay, so if in the same way nth term find out. Nth term an is equals to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Sum of the n terms minus sum of the n minus 1 terms. From this nth term आएगा. nth term आके क्या करना है हम लोग? What to do? nth term आया तो first term आएगा, common second term आएगा, with that first and second term common difference आएगा. वो दोनों इसमें substitute करें, then automatically हो जाएगा. So when Sn is given, sum of the n terms is given, nth term find out करने के लिए this formula happens. If an is given, sum of the n terms find out करना. From that an से क्या करना है? a1 निकालना है, just now previous problem. a2 निकालना. From that subtracting means d add. So this is the way to do it. An is equals to Sn minus. But Sn is what here? 3n square plus 5n minus Sn minus 1 means 3 into n minus 1 whole square plus 5 into n minus 1, which is equals to 3n square plus 5n minus, इसको simplify करना, 3 into n square minus 2n plus 1 plus 5n minus 5. So which is equals to 3n square plus 5n minus 3n square minus 6n plus 3 plus 5n minus 5, which is equals to 3n square plus 5n minus of 3n square minus n minus 2, which is equals to 3n square plus 5n minus 3n square plus n plus 2. So 3n square get cancelled. We are going to get 6n plus 2. Nth term is linear. Sum of n terms is quadratic. O point observed. So from this first term, A, that is nothing but A1. इसमें 1 substitute. Okay, 1 substitute कर लेते 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. A2 is equals to इसमें 2 substitute करना, 6 into 2 plus 2, which is equals to 14. D, common difference, A2 minus A1 is equals to 14 minus 8, which is equals to 6. So common difference 3 आ गया. So given AM is equals to 164. AM value क्या है? A plus M minus 1 into D is equals to 160. A is first term, that is 8, plus M minus 1 into D is 6 is equals to 160. So 8 right hand side is M minus 1 into 6 is equals to 164 minus 8. 164 minus 8. So M minus 1 into 6 is equals to 164, so 8 is 156. So M minus 1 is equals to 156 by 6. 6 1 the 6 2 the 12, 36 6 the length. M is equals to 26 plus. समझ में आया ना? Clear है ना? So like this, main concept is here you need to remember that Sn is it is given, An if you want. Same problem can be done in another way. सर ये सारा An फाइंड आउट करने का भी जरूरत नहीं, डायरेक्टली S1 S2 फाइंड आउट करना, A2 फाइंड आउट करने के लिए A2 फाइंड आउट करना है. A2 is equals to what? S2 minus S1. ये A2 आया ना 14, वो ऐसे भी आ सकता है S2 minus, इसमें 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, 2 square 4 4 3 से 12, 12 plus 22 minus S1, इसमें 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो 8. अगर तो An फाइंड आउट करने का जरूरत नहीं, जस्ट डायरेक्ट A1 फाइंड आउट करो. A1 इज नथिंग बट फर्स्ट टर्म. A1 कैसे आएगा? S1 डायरेक्ट, इसमें 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लो, तो A1 हो गया. A2 चाहिए तो S2 minus S1. If you want A2, S2 minus S1. क्लियर है ना? ये समझ में आया ना? This is the 13th one. Yes. Next. Fifteenth. So the question is given that A power n plus B power n. A power n plus B power n. A power n plus B power n divided by A power n minus 1 plus B power n minus 1 is arithmetic mean of arithmetic between A and B. So what is the arithmetic mean between the A and B formula? Find the value of A. What is the formula for arithmetic mean between the A and B? Arithmetic mean. Only one number if it is inserted between the A and B. A plus B by 2. Average. A plus B by 2. So arithmetic mean between A and B is equals to A plus B by 2. From this you can say that A plus B by 2 is equals to, they given A power n plus B power n by A power n minus 1 plus B power n minus 1. For what value of the n? We are going to get this one. N is equals to what should be taken? N is equals to 1. If n is equals to 1, denominator a power 0 हो जाएगा. That is equals to 1. b power 0, 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Either a power 1, a power 1, b power 1. So this is true for n is equals to. सर ये कैसे बोल रहे हैं आप? डायरेक्टली बोल रहे हैं. कैन वी प्रूव इट? ये देखते तो पता चलता है. बट इज इट पॉसिबल टू अस टू प्रूव इट? यस. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. a प्लस b इंटू ए पावर n माइनस 1 प्लस. ये तो लेंथी है बट तो भी यू नीड टू नो द प्रोसीजर. डायरेक्ट ऑब्जर्व करके भी बोल सकते हैं बट इट इज लेंथी लिटरली. ये a पावर n माइनस 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. व्हाट यू गेट? a पावर n आएगा. ये b पावर n माइनस 1, b a पावर n माइनस 1 plus b power n is equals to 2 times of a power n. So a power n plus a power n, b power n plus b power n. So here a power n cancels. b power n, b power n. So we are going to get a b power n minus 1 plus b a power n minus 1 is equals to a power n plus b power n. Huh? All the what to do? an को then can you do it? Okay. So here when you observe this one here, a power n plus b power n is there. What we need to find out here? N value we need to find. For what value of the n it is true is the question. If you are proceeding like that, whether it is possible or not, you check first. Check करना है. Whenever this type of the situation occurs to you, then you have to try it. So what to do here? A into b power n by b. Can you write this one? A b power n by b. B a power n by a. Can we do it like that? You proceed, multiple you try. In the what way you can get it. आपको कैसे आ सकते? N value we need to get it. N value आना. Here, whenever you are substituting the values also, n value in the what way we are going to get it. Try कर रहे? Yes, try.
Sir, what to do?
Here I am asking that to find out the value of n. Okay, I have given some time to you. You are taking a little bit more time. Simple here. Uh, we take here a b power n minus 1. Whatever you said in the same way. But here b power n minus 1 is there. Na? So b term you take it together. B power n is equals to a power n minus b power b into a power n minus. From these two, can you write this b power n as a b power n minus 1 into b? A power n minus 1, I will write n as a power n minus 1 into a. From this b power n minus 1, you take the common. You are going to get a minus 1. Here a power n minus 1, you take the common. You will get a minus 2. A minus b will get 1. Because a is not equal to b. As a is not equal to b. So a minus b get cancelled. So b power n minus 1 is equals to a power n minus 1. Which is possible. Powers are same. Bases are different. For the different bases, same power, when do you have? It is possible with n minus 1. 0 hota hai to bhi possible. 8 power 0, 10 power 0. That is only equal. So this is possible if n minus 1 is equal to 0. So n equal to 1 is the way to see the resistance. Okay. Next. 16th one, see here.